yesterday. Hey!
Who will I tell this man now?
Hey, come back here. Come back here. Where are you coming from since yesterday? Eh? Where did you go? Look at the time you are coming home. Because of what? I'm talking to you, can't you answer me? Can't you talk? Eh?
Go and ask your mate what they are doing.
Eh?
You shut me. Will you keep quiet?
I should do what?
Because I need the money. Because I need the money. Because I need the money.
Hi guys, please subscribe to our channel at M-Star Comedy TV.
Yeah, you guys should subscribe to M-Star Comedy TV.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Stand up comedy talking, I'm talking from experience. You laugh to the end.